Hey guys, it's Didar. I hope you're all doing well. So today I'm gonna make homemade Rice Krispie Treats using Fruity Pebbles. Alright guys, so this is a super easy recipe. All we need is Fruity Pebbles, some butter, and some marshmallows. So then you're gonna wanna heat up your pan, and I'm using 1 tablespoon of butter to put in the pan. You're gonna just roll it around. Then you're going to take your marshmallows and just plop them in there. I would use a rubber spatula to kind of try to melt the butter and the marshmallows. Okay guys, once your pan starts to look like this, we're going to add in the Fruity Pebbles. I'm using 2 cups, so we're just going to put it in there. We're putting 1 cup in at a time. Put some in and then stir it. Should look like that. Then we're gonna add the next cup. Then guys, you just want to keep stirring until the marshmallow sticks to the Rice Krispie Treats like this. Alright guys, so then after everything is mixed in the pot, we're gonna take a pan. I use wax paper because it's easier to take it out once it's frozen. And we're just going to put in the Rice Krispie into the pan. Then you're going to want to flatten it out since it looks like that. Alright guys, so your pan should look something like this. And we're going to put it into the fridge for about 15 minutes. Alright guys, to end this video, after 15 minutes in the fridge, you can cut up pieces. And it should look like this.